Today, I am presenting a short presentation on the spacesuit. Spacesuit. Do you know what is spacesuit? A spacesuit protects astronaut from extreme temperature, high level of radiation energy that can move through our body and make us sick. Spacesuit also supply astronaut with oxygen to breathe while they are in the vacuum of space. They contain water to drink during spacewalks. They protect astronauts from being injured from impact of space dust. A spacesuit has a mass of around 21 kg without a life support backpack, and cost of the spacesuit is approximately rupees 90 crore 15 lakh 6600. Types of spacesuit. There are three types of spacesuit depending on purpose. IVA, intravehicular activity, worn inside pressurized spacecraft. It is lighter and comfortable. For example, so-called spacesuit. EVA, extravehicular activity, used outside spacecraft for either planetary exploration or spacewalk. Provide protection, mobility, and functionality. For example, Orlan spacesuit. Third, IEVA, intra and extravehicular activity, for use inside and outside the spacecraft, more protection from space dust, temperature. For example, Gemini spacesuit. How do you know how spacesuit maintain temperature? In spacesuit or extravehicular mobility unit (EMUs), the cooling system consists of network of small diameter of water circulation tube measuring around 300 feet that are held close to the body by a spandex bodysuit. The water pump is in the backpack, which circulate water through spacesuit. Temperature can be controlled from control module. Layers of spacesuit. HUT is hard upper torso and lower torso. In total, there are about 11 layers to the spacesuit shell. Bladder layer to regulate pressure, 5 layers of mylar to regulate temperature, a waterproof layer, fireproof layer, a bulletproof layer. Layer protects from dust particles coming at a speed of a bullet. Backpack, a primary life support subsystem. This backpack contains the oxygen cylinders to help astronauts breathe during a spacewalk. It has filters to remove carbon dioxide that astronauts exhale. The backpack also has battery packs. It also holds communication system, a water pump, and the tank hold the cooling water that flows through tube of ventilation garment. Helmet consists of two main parts, clear plastic bubble and visor. Helmet has vent pad and keep the oxygen at the right pressure around the head. The visor is coated with a thin layer of gold that filter out the sun's harmful rays. There is camera and lights attached to the helmet. The astronaut wear communication carrier assembly, sometimes called the Snoopy cap, under the helmet. It has earphones and microphones to communicate with base crew. Thank you for listening to me.